Hi everyone, thanks for clicking this link and welcome to this introduction video. This is the 2019 re-engineered, dissected, completely put back together, new parts, 3D modeled, 3D printed pieces, JETPACK. Just taking you on a really quick walk around here. You can see all the different parts that make up the rocket. The rocket has been completely rethought, broken apart, re-engineered, pinned. I'll show you that here in a few minutes. Just want to take a quick walk around. This body has also been painstakingly accurized. New Waterslide decals, new laser cut pieces for the thruster exhaust, new tank caps, new detail pieces. Where do I start? Let's have a look at this body first. I just weighed this JETPACK. It's 4 pounds, 6 ounces. That might sound heavy, but it's not. It's very light for something this size. I mean, it's extremely strong and it's very lightweight. Completely re-engineered, accurized. I incorporated laser cut pieces, I incorporated 3D printed parts, and the nice thing is there's a bottom molded in, and it's a shaped bottom. I've got a little pocket right here, and you can see that this is shaped, so if you're going to wear this with body armor, this will conform to the back plate. This pore hole here is easily filled up, or you can actually, what you'll probably want to do instead is cut this entire thing out here to access the interior, and then just replace it with an alternative plate. And there is your body. Let's have a look at some of these components and how they fit onto this JETPACK body. Your bottom tank caps fit perfectly right into position like this. Your top tank caps will be pinned right on top, just like this. The thruster exhaust, you have a choice of vertical lines or horizontal lines. Both are accurate depending on which prop you're looking at. And this piece will glue right inside that exhaust port, just like this. There are 2 additional styrene pieces that detail the underside, just like this on either side. Waterslide decals. This goes in the various locations around this JETPACK. These are really, really easy to use, thin waterslide decals. The JETPACK kit includes a handful of these little chip pieces, these little bezeled parts. What these are the little details that go on this ridge. I kept them separate because I wanted the molds to be really clean. I wanted everything to stay very sharp and crisp. And these are also separately colored parts from the body, so if you're doing the colorful version of this JETPACK, you'll be able to paint these separately and then apply them separate. So you get the idea that these chips detail that ridge line just like that, all the way down. These are the thruster assemblies. These are the main parts. You've got this ball. You've got a cone that is molded inside and out. If you can see inside here, it's grooved and accurately detailed. And these are very easy to assemble. These are completely untrimmed, so you'll trim this lip off and then trim this lip down a little so that they meet properly. So you get the idea what that's going to look like. And then these have 2 knobs. You've got a left and a right ball, and you'll see that one end has a smaller hole, another has a larger hole, and these are detailed with this face detail on only one side. So let me take this side. So the small hole, large hole. Small hole will accept this little greebly here. That's a silver piece. The larger end accepts this connector, like this, And this goes into the body, this little end right here. Of course, you'll use a pin and all that, so you can rotate this once it's inside the body. And then your cone will go on this, just like that. So there is a small, in-depth look at how these parts have been re-engineered. Here's your base. The next piece that goes onto this is this guy, and it's pinned already, so it just pops on like this. Nice and clean. These parts are completely untrimmed. This is how they come out. Very nice. Your next piece that goes on is this cone piece. Then you have a little collar. It's got a lot of detail going on here. Little knurled bottom edge. So this collar lines up over this hole, and I don't think I showed you that. There is a hole that I engineered into the top. Your collar will go on there. This pin slides through the collar into that hole. Then we have a detailed piece that lines up on the fins. And then finally, your cone. These are very strong pieces, and it's also very lightweight. And you can pin everything to everything else, and you can make this so that this detaches. You could do all kinds of different things with this. And there is a closer look at the rocket. I'll have a build-up tutorial for this jetpack coming in the next few months, so keep your eyes peeled for that. If you enjoy this content, make sure that you hit subscribe, like the video, share, and be sure to check out the Instagram and website linked in the description of the video. Thanks for watching.